Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on ClickUp. Whether you're managing clients, handling billing for your team, or you simply want a faster way to organize your invoicing workflow, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and head over to ClickUp. Once you're on the home page, click the login button at the top right. If you prefer quick access, feel free to log in using your Google account. It's fast, convenient, and keeps everything synced across your workspace. After logging in, you'll land inside your ClickUp workspace where all your projects and lists are displayed. Next, choose the list where you want to create your invoice. Any list will work, so just pick the one that makes the most sense for your project. Over here, click the three-dot menu next to the list name. From this menu, select Templates. This is where ClickUp stores a variety of ready-to-use templates to speed up your workflow. Once the template window appears, in the search bar, type Invoice and press Enter. You'll now see several invoice templates designed specifically for billing and client management. Hover over any template you like and click Quick Use. This will instantly add the template to your list and set it up for editing. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're inside the right workspace, double-check that you're modifying the correct list, and keep your client details organized beforehand. This saves you time and ensures your invoice is accurate. Once your template is added, you can go ahead and rename it by clicking the three-dot menu again and choosing Rename. After that, customize the invoice however you like, edit an existing task, add new tasks for different billable items, or include descriptions and pricing details. When you're done, your invoice will be fully ready to use and share with your client. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create an invoice in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with the same process. Why not make someone's day easier?